Dear students, this time I am going to handle the subject Water Resources Engineering. Before going to the syllabus, we'll first discuss the importance of the subject Water Resource Engineering, why we have to consider a branch like Water Resource Engineering and Civil Engineering. First, let us have a discussion on the importance of water. We all know water is one of the important substances on earth. We cannot imagine a day without water. If we consider the use of water, the main purpose is drinking and other domestic purpose such as washing, cleaning, etc. Then another it is industrial use and another it is agriculture use. If we consider the percentage use of water, 8% is used for domestic purpose and 22% it is for industrial purpose and majority it is for agriculture purpose, that is 70%. Agriculture is a primary sector of our economy and contributing nearly 17% of GDP in India. So we need to give more importance to the agriculture. Next, let us have a look into the distribution of earth water. As you all know, fresh water is 3%, the rest is saline water. If we consider the distribution of fresh water, around 68.7% is in the form of ice caps and glaciers. In groundwater it is 30.1%, surface water it is 0.3% and other it is 0.9%. Then next we will consider the distribution of surface water, that is 87% is in lakes, swamps it is 11% and rivers is 2%. Coming to the importance of water resource engineering, I think this picture explains a lot. What is the importance of preservation of our water resources? If we are not preserving our water resources, this will be our future, that we can see water only in tears. So preserve the water resources for our future. What does this picture represent? Yes, this represents the water distribution system. Most of us depends on Kerala Water Authority water supply system for drinking water and other domestic needs. Have you ever thought how we would get water when we open the tap? As a civil engineer, we have to think about this. For that, we need a source. Normally, lakes or rivers are the source of our water. Then, next step, we have to treat that water. Can we directly use that water? No. We have to remove all impurities from that water. So we need a treatment plant. After treating the water, we have to store in a water tank. So what is the capacity of the water tank? How we are deciding the capacity? It depends upon the area where we are distributing the water. We have to identify the number of households. Based on that, we have to calculate the water requirement of that area. Then next step it is the distribution system, that is laying of the pipes. In the design of the distribution system, we have to fix the diameter of the pipe, type of material we have to use, then the pressure on the pipes. So all these components together constitute the water distribution system. So this is a part of water resource engineering. Next one is the irrigation system. As we know, during monsoon season we are getting a plenty of water. If we are not storing that water properly, it will finally reaches to ocean, which we cannot use. So we have to store the water effectively, then we can use that water during the summer season. For storing the water, we have to construct the structures like dams across the river. Then for irrigation purpose, we have to construct canal system. So for the design of the canal system, we need to identify what are the requirement of that area. That is, it is based upon the type of crop period, then intensity of irrigation. So considering all these factors, we have to design the canal system. So this also comes under water resource engineering. Next is power generation. In Kerala, 78% of the electric power is generated using water, that is tidal power. For power generation, we have to construct dam for storing the water. The next step, we have to fix the type of turbine. It depends upon the head of water and also the volume of water available. Based on that one, we have to fix whether we have to use the reaction turbine or impulse turbine. The design of the entire power generation systems also includes in water resource engineering. I think there is no need to explain much more about this picture because we all face the situation in 2018. It is not possible to prevent floods, but it is possible to prevent or reduce the damage due to flood by controlling the floods. Flood control or flood management is also coming under water resource engineering. I can give you a very good example for the best flood management system in India that is designed by Sir M. Visvesvaraya. Hyderabad faced a devastating flood in 28 September 1908. The river Musi has flooded the streets of the city after a torrential rainfall due to a cloudburst. In order to control the flood, Visvesvaraya suggested the construction of two storage reservoirs, Osman Sagar and Himayat Sagar, above the city of Hyderabad, that is across the river Musi and its tributary river Easy. So the metropolitan area of Hyderabad, as you see it today, is the result of the foresight of a visionary engineer in India. I think from all this, it is clear that the field of water resource engineering is just as important in civil engineering as water in our life. This is all about introduction. Then next we will discuss the syllabus.